This is it. And yes, we are recording a new season, a new episode with a new series of the Inspirepreneur podcast. Wow. It's been a while and I know it's been a long hiatus. Talagang medyo nagbakasyon mode. There's a lot of details, a lot of in-betweens, but with the time given to us, at least not for the next 15 minutes, I'd love just to share my heart to all of you who are catching this episode. And definitely, this is what I need to share. And this might also the thing that you need. No? Baka ito yung kailangan mo. Most especially as we start a brand new month. It's gonna be May, and it's May. As of this recording, it's May 1. And to all the Star Wars fans out there, I know that this month is very special, most especially this coming May 4. Kaya the title of this episode is May the Force Be With You. And when I say May the Force Be With You, it's not just a reference to all the Star Wars fans out there, but it means a lot to me. Because when you speak about force, maraming ibig sabihin yan eh. Pwedeng forced, no? In a negative way. Ang daming pressures, ang daming mga bagay na nakaka-overwhelm, and it weighs you down, it weighs us down to the point that we are already rock bottom. At di mo na alam kung paano ka babangon muli. Much to this efforts, no? To add value, create content online, definitely maraming mga challenges. But hey, we're here. You're here. And that's why I want to honor you. I want to celebrate you. When I look into the dictionary, this is what force means, no? Strength or energy as an attribute of physical action or movement. Another way of looking at it is coercion or compulsion, especially with the use or threat of violence. And also make a way through or into by physical strength, break open by force, make someone do something against their will. See, there are opposite sides. No? Pag tinignan mo yung force. And I don't know what are the forces that are moving in you or outside of you, but definitely there are forces of good and there are also forces of evil. Kaya we live in a world wherein there are a lot of forces. So, friend, what kind of force is happening to you right now? For me, during the time that I was on vacation, this Inspirepreneur podcast has been on break. Marami talaga. And too many to mention, but I want to be real with you. One of which is that definitely the imposter syndrome. If it is still worth it to do this, am I enough? Do I have the right credibility? And of course, nandiyan pa rin yung comparing myself with others, no? Na ang dami magagaling dyan. What kind of value will I be able to add? Minsan yung pagkakasabi ko, baka mali yung pronunciation, tapos nandyan yung, tama ba yung mga pinagsasabi ko? Of course, hindi lang naman that I say it, the content, but actually, I bring some people, some guests, some inspirepreneurs in the previous episodes, and I know, no, some of them as well go through this. No? So, friend, again, I'm gonna ask you this question. Kamusta ka? What kind of forces are happening to you? Kasi for me, it's really an up and down. No? Ang dami mga downward actually. And that also includes hindi lang naman sa content creation but also in my life, in my finances, Meron pa ring mga hindi nahi-hit na mga target, no? Yung aking weight goal, hanggang ngayon, waiting pa rin ako. I'm still not in perfect shape. And I guess what I'm trying to say here is that not everything in my life is perfect. I'm still a work in progress. There's still things in my life that I'm still working on, under construction. But I'm here. And I believe that's something as well that I wanted to share with you. That the mere fact that you're here listening to this podcast, to this episode, gives us that hope that there's still that good force in each one of us. And I believe we just need to continue to nourish it. We just need to continue on taking that next step, not giving up. Because I believe, my dear friends, there are dreams in your heart that only you can make it happen. You have your unique talents and gifts that only you can share to the world. I wanted to quote, no, from the good book. This one is from the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 17, verse 20. And it says here, I tell you the truth, if you had faith, even as small as a mustard seed, you could say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it would move. Nothing would be impossible. Yes, you heard it right. Marami ng bagay na imposible pero nangyari sa buhay mo. You are a walking, breathing miracle. And you have survived, no? We have survived so many things in our lives, and that's why we live to tell. So, friend, the mere fact that you're alive and breathing, and I would always say, every kissing is a blessing, and that's why it's a fresh new beginning. So, I'm doing this for myself, not just in this podcast, but also in the other areas of my life that matters most to me. But how about you? Are you giving that special gift as well of another chance for yourself? So when I say may the force be with you, it's not forcing things upon you. It's giving you that special gift of just start again. Simulan mo ulit. And this new month, for me, it was the podcast episode. But for you, what is it that you will start? What is it that matters most to you that you just have to take the next step? You just have to ask for that support, that help. And you just don't know. When you start things now, definitely it will fall into place. Everything will fall into place. Yeah. This is just the first half of this episode, but I celebrate you. And yes, may the force be with you. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Wow. That was just the first half. And now, let me share the second half or the other half of this episode. Kasi ang sabi ko nga, no, around 15 minutes. So, naka almost 8 minutes na tayo doon. Let's jump into this, no? I love this from I love this from Martin Luther King Jr. Even when you don't see the whole staircase. I wanted to be honest with you that I don't know with this podcast starting again on how it will go far. But definitely, I'll just take the next step, and that is to just do the next episode. And I'm excited because this whole month of May, I'm dedicating for this message. May the force be with you. And force actually has a meaning, FORCE. So this first episode speaks about faith. May the may the faith be with you. But in the next coming episodes, no, we will discuss about O, opportunity. We will discuss about R, responsibility. C, commitment. And finally, E, empowerment. So we are dedicating this message of made of belief in what I'm doing, because when I believe in something, this will translate into beautiful things. Sa pamilya ko, sa trabaho ko, in the ministry, mission that I have been entrusted with. And yes, no, I'm actually starting a support group, a spiritual community, because for the longest time I've been serving with Brother Bo Sanchez, with Brother Alvin Barcelona in our feast. No? It's a weekly prayer event uh, that is weekly done in PICC. And I've been doing it for the longest time. But now I'm taking more responsibility because I believe the Lord wanted me to step out and build, create, invent, explore, so that others can bless and others can also benefit with what God has given me. So this coming June of 2024, we're starting a brand new feast. We're going to give birth of a safe space, a place where people can belong, and also a launch pad so that people can rediscover their purpose once again. And that's why I'm excited. Now, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga mangyayari in the next months to come, but definitely I have experienced someone believing in me, someone investing in me. And what I just want to do is just to give it back, pay it forward, just make a difference in the lives of people. Because I'm sure someone somewhere out there needs guidance. No? There are people who are stuck in darkness. There are people who are not seeing the light. No? In fact, they're on the brink of giving up. Actually, I was like that. Nung mga nakaraang months, no? I wanted just to surrender, give up. Tama na itong mga pinagagawa ko. But I'm just thankful because my family, especially my wife Milen and my daughter Yana, believes in me. And that's why when I was looking in the mirror, I'm reminded na, JC, you are enough. You are love. And you are blessed and you are a blessing. All of these affirmations, not just words, but really I feel it in my heart that I always say to people, I encourage people, I'm the happy guy, I'm the smiling guy. Pero alam mo yun yung irony. Kung sino pa yung very, being a cheerleader, they need it as well. So I'm gonna shout out to all of my family and my friends who did not give up on me, who prayed for me, who supported me, and who believes in me. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And if you are able to catch this episode, salamat din sa'yo. Because at least I know that I'm not just on the other end telling all of this, the words, but you are receiving this as well. I hope that this message, hindi kailangang sobrang mahaba. No, it's not a full-blown talk, but definitely month-long, we gonna explore, celebrate this message on May the Force be with you. So I'm excited. I'm excited, my dear friends, because unang-una, before I share this with you, I'm telling this to myself. Kaya, yes, I needed this episode. I needed this comeback into this Inspirepreneur podcast. Now, you might be asking, Coach JC, bakit Inspirepreneur podcast? Kasi possibly, this is the first time that you are jumping into this content. You haven't heard the previous season wherein we went through the ups and downs of the pandemic, and then post-pandemic now, rebuilding, recreating, rediscovering. Inspirepreneur is actually a coin term, two words combined, inspiring entrepreneurs. And I believe Pwede mong sabihin na hindi naman ako negosyante, hindi naman ako nagbi-business. But deep inside you, there's a story, there's a message, there's a advocacy that you want to become a force for good. And that's why I believe that we should continue to rediscover our genius, develop it, deliver it, monetize it, so that we can become a force for good. So, my dear friend, if you are into personal development, if you are into content creation, if you're an aspiring content creator, if you are a creative entrepreneur, meron kang art, pero puro ka art, wala namang pera dyan. Or, just in case, nawala ka doon sa mga nabanggit ko, this is still for you. It's not an accident. And I believe, my dear friend, there's a purpose why you're able to catch this episode. And again, hindi kailangang kumpleto yung mensahe ngayon. Pwedeng bitin so that we can look forward for the next episodes to come. I'm excited to journey with you as we grow, as we create, as we thrive together. So cheers to the Inspirepreneur in you. This is Coach JC Liviran, and I'm excited as we continue this journey together. Again, may the force be with you. This is just first episode. May the faith be with you. I'm excited because we'll still touch on opportunity, responsibility, commitment, and empowerment. Now, thank you. If you got some value, inspiration, motivation, encouragement in this episode, maglalambing ako sa'yo. Share this. Share this to someone that you know that can benefit from this. Maybe they needed also to hear this message so that they can reignite. You can spark that inspirepreneur in them. And by you doing it, you become a force for good. Till our next episode.